Hello everyone. In today's video I want to share with you my point of views about the website OGtask. We will find out in this review if OGtask worth your time. But before we proceed, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything on the future. So let's see what exactly OGtask is. OGtask claim themselves as the #1 influencer network, and according to that claim, you can make 100 daily. To sign up, it is free to sign up, and you get $55 as a bonus. But the if is not there. I want to prove up this video to show you that this website is a fake website and not a legit website to make money. First off, there are some red flags I want to show you. First, this social icon you see there, you can on any way reach to them two of these social media accounts. Secondly, testimonials are all fake, and I want to prove it to you. Okay, testimonial. There are many websites here with the same stuff, and one of them is ShareCash.co. Okay, ShareCash.co. As you can see here, this is the name. Okay, that is name. Okay, share the same picture. If you take testimonial on ShareCash, you will wait the page to be branded. Okay, testimonial. Here we are. You see, it is the same guys that give fake testimonial. Okay, here is a testimonial from the website ShareCash, and here is the same testimonial on the website OGtask. Okay, so this is a red flag you need to take into account. Third, they use fake payment proof. Okay, let's see something here. On the website ShareCash payment proof, you get the time this one bill. Okay, here You see this girl claims she made 80 for $840, and here see the payment proof here. We will find the same payment proof out there on the ShareCash website. Okay, here you see $840. Okay, this is the same payment proof. Okay, they use it. Another thing I want to show you is about their claim. They claim they have been on business since 2015. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. However, I will show you this is a lie. Okay. We will use the WHOIS website to find out exactly the date they registered their domain name. Okay, let's find out. Okay, here we are. You can see here OGtask.com domain name registered on 2020. Okay, January 16. Okay, this is the registration exact date. Okay, however, they can being on business since 2015. Okay, this is some red flag I want you to know and to take into account. My advice is to stay away from this website because they will steal your data and send them to third-party advertiser. Okay, so stay away from this website. You can make 100 a day with this platform. When you share your affiliate link, if someone click on it or see after using your affiliate link, you will see in your dashboard some dollars, but in any way you can cash out this amount of money. So stay away from this website. This is my advice to you. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see on the description I share with you a legit way I use to make money online, and you can too make money if you want. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next time.